Hi everyone, in this module we will learn about what is pH scale. Okay student, see, while writing the word pH you should be very careful because P is always lowercase. Okay, so we should write P small letter and then H is always in uppercase, H is capital letter. Okay, so what is pH actually? pH here stands for potential of hydrogen. That means we are giving potential to hydrogen atom. Okay, so this is what pH value. And what is we should know that why it is useful to learn pH value whenever we are learning about acid, base and salt. Okay, so what is the use of pH value? The use of pH value is the strength of an acid or a base is measured. So let me know that what do you mean by strength of an acid? Strength of an acid means how strong the acid is. Okay, whether the acid is strong or weak, or whether the base is strong base or weak base. To determine that, to measure that, we are having a scale, right? And this scale is called as pH scale. Got it? And we are having numbers on this scale the same way like you are having the number on the scale which you are using for your maths classes. Okay, which is a simple scale. I think it is from 0 to 15 centimeter. So in this also number is written on this scale and we are having strips of various color. Okay, and the pH scale has value from 0 to 14. Okay, let me know what is the half of 14. Okay, that is 7. So students, that 7, like wherever number 7 is written on pH scale, that means that substances, okay, that those substances are the neutral substances. And we already know that what are neutral substances. Neutral substances are the substances which are neither acids or base. Okay, they are salts. Okay, so neutral substances, all neutral substances, they lies on pH scale, that is number 7. Got it? And when we go below number 7, that is less than number 7, those all substances are called as acids. Okay, and the number which is above or more than number 7, that are bases, right? So as we go on decreasing, like I can say that the acid which is on number 1 is stronger than the acid which is on number 4. So as the number decreases, the acidic nature, okay, the acidic nature of the substances, acidic substances, they keep on increasing. That means on number 1 we are having strong acid, right? And at number near number 5 and 4 we are having weak acids. Let me explain the same with the help of this picture. I hope in this you are able to see that we had taken few household items except the first one, that is stomach acid, and rest of this you are very familiar, that are might be you had seen these items in your at your home. And see students, at the lower base we are having the range from number 0 to number 14. Okay, and exactly at number below number 7 neutral is written, and on the left hand side acids are there and on right hand side bases are there, right? So what is on number 7? We are able to see pure water. So on number 7 pure water is written, that means pure water is having pH value 7, and that's why we call pure water as neutral substances, right? So what is next to pure water? That is milk, then banana. See, usually when we eat banana is not sour in taste. That means very less amount, that means banana contain less amount of acid. So it is a weak acid. But as we goes towards the side, okay, towards my left side. Tomato, sour, okay, grapes more sour, lemon is very sour. And stomach acid, do you remember the acid which is present in stomach is hydrochloric acid. So hydrochloric acid is a mineral acid, and we had already learned earlier that mineral acids are strong acids and they are more stronger than the organic acids. And see, what is the number of mineral acid? That is 1. That means 1 strong acid. Okay, so this is how, with the help of pH scale, we can determine whether the acid is weak acid or whether the acid is strong acid. Now come to on my right hand side. If I will ask you what is on number 12, then bleach. That means as we go in an increasing order, okay, towards my right hand side, then the strength of the bases also increases. I can say that the bleach is more strong base as compared to baking soda, right? Because baking soda, see the number below the baking soda, it is number 9. So at number 9, 10, we are having weak bases, but as we goes on increasing, the strength of the base also increase. So the oven cleaner, which is on number 13, is the strong base. Okay, I hope you are able to understand this diagram. Now come to the pH range, its description, and what color it depicts. Okay, I hope it will help you to determine and to learn more. So let us start with number 0 to 3. On number 0 to 3, students, all the strong acids are present and the color is red. Okay, and next one is number 3 to 6. They are weak acids and the color is orange and yellow. At number 7, it is neutral and the color is green. Okay, that means what the color is depicting? The color is the color which is showing on the pH scale. So that if the color is red, prominent red, that then automatically we can determine the substance in which we had put the pH scale, pH strip. If it is depicting red color, that means it is a very strong acid. So this is how we can determine. Now let us see in case of base. Okay, so at number 8 to 11, base, weak base, blue in color. Then number 11 to 14, that are strong bases, which is violet and purple in color. So with the help of the color strips, okay, we can determine the pH range as well. And see, student, one more thing, because earlier we had learned about there are organic indicators, we had learned about man-made indicators. So there is one more indicator, which is universal indicator. So what is universal indicator? Universal indicator is the solution in which various types of other indicators are mixed together. So I can simply say that it is a solution in which is having a mixture of various indicators. Okay, and it covers the pH range from less than 3 to greater than 11. Okay, and generally it is brown in color. Okay, I hope you are able to understand what are pH scale and what is the use of why we are learning pH scale in acid, base and salt. Thank you everyone. Have a nice day.